So we're headed to the gym today. It's Monday. You know, we can't miss a Monday. So we're on our way to our glute workout. I'm saying our because I'm taking you guys with me on my workout today. Because it's late and I kind of got to the gym late today. So I figured, you know what? Why not record my workout and what I do on Mondays? I hope y'all are having a fantastic Monday. It is hot as hell where I live at. I live in Paris, California, and oh my God. It is extremely hot out here. I mean, right now it's 89 degrees. It's still 11:30 in the morning. So normally it doesn't get too hot. Well, it's hot right now. So yeah, it starts getting hot around this time. This time is the time when it's really, really fucking hot. 11:30. Hold on, my other phone's ringing. I'm recording, but anyways, I'm not even gonna answer it. I'll call them back. We're headed to 24-Hour Fitness in Moreno Valley, where all the thirsties are. When I mean all the thirsties, I mean I get all the thirsties at Moreno Valley. I just do me, you know. I just go in there and I just focus on me and I focus on my workouts. I can't help the people that are focused on me, but I just hope that they're learning from my posture, and I hope that they're learning and not just lusting. All right, I'm gonna put the phone down because I don't have the little cute gadgets that they hold up and hold your phone where you can be all cute and talk and stuff. So I gotta get that. I'll get back to you guys when I get to the gym. Bye. Hey guys, so we made it to the gym. Things really bad over here. I can't seem to find any good lighting to shine light on the actual name. Oh, there it goes. This is Mondays. Monday, booty day, and abs. So let's go. Okay, we're inside. This is my first time taking you guys along my workout, so I'm so stoked. I'm excited, and we're here. There's nobody in the ab section. Maybe this might be a better time to come work out and record because there's nobody in this section. Oh my God, when I come at 5 in the morning, it is like everyone here. I mean, they are all in this section. Like, it starts with eating. It starts with the kitchen, okay? This is just the little muscle pump over here, but it really starts in the kitchen with the abs. I mean, your stomach shows every single thing that you eat, from sugar to meat to dairy. It shows everything. So if you want to have abs, you have to start in the kitchen. Of course, you need to work the muscle out, but you need to start eating healthier. You need to start putting better food in your mouth to achieve the sexy looking stomach that you want to achieve, okay? So let's get started. I do 8 sets of abs, 8 sets of 30 seconds, okay? Let's go. The tire roll targets your full core. So make sure when you guys are doing these that you guys are extending all the way out so that you guys can get a full workout for this one. Mountain climbers target your lower abdominal. So if you want to strengthen your lower abdominal, add these. They will definitely have you sore. Then we're going to jump right into our original sit-ups because this also engages your core fully. And make sure you guys are giving yourself at least 10 seconds before you jump into the next ab exercise. As we fall right into the toe touches, make sure you guys are touching your toes at the top and engaging your core fully and breathing through each rep. By this time, your abs should really hurt, but we're going to jump right into our leg raises. And make sure you guys are fully bringing those legs up and not letting them touch the ground. As we still target our lower abdominal, we're going to go in with our single knee raises. Working through every rep, make sure you're holding your core tight, but also breathing too. We're almost done, guys. Just 2 more sets of abs. We're going in with our 30-second plank, so make sure you hold your core tight for 30 seconds. And last but not least, we have our heel crunches. As you're going up, touch your heels and squeeze your core at the top. This is a major ab workout. I hope you guys feel good. Okay guys, moving along to the next workout. The first one was donkey kicks. Now we're headed to the hip thrust machine. Well, the Smith machine, as you can see. And we're about to do hip thrusts. So, let's go. As you're doing the donkey kicks, make sure your working foot is behind the resting foot. And make sure that you guys have picked a weight that is challenging to you. Next up, we have heavy hip thrusts. You guys will be going heavy and squeezing your glute at the top of each rep. That is how you're going to get the best exercise in this workout. I always say go as heavy as you can because that means you'll be doing less reps. Next up, we have the second set of the hip thrust, and this is going to be a light weight. So you'll be going as light as you can, not too light, but enough to where you know that you're working your gluteus maximum. With the second set of hip thrusts, you'll do each set until failure, and then you will hold for 20 seconds, and then you will release. You'll probably feel the second hip thrust a lot more because you're going lighter, and you'll definitely feel that a little bit more. Next up, we have our RDLs, which is going to be a glute focus. So with every rep of these, you also will be squeezing your glute at the top because that's the shelf top of your butt. So you want to make sure you're squeezing that because that's what makes that heart shape and makes that booty sit up nice. You feel me? All right. So anyways, next up is the single leg hip thrust with no weights. So you will not be using weights on these, and you will be doing 15 on each side. Make sure you guys have great posture and your back is leaning on the bench. So your high back will be on the bench, not in the middle, just at the top of your back. And that's going to give you the best workout for this exercise. Now, if you really want to challenge yourself, I say grab a weight and put it right on top of the resting leg. So not the leg that's doing work, but the one that's resting. So you can get a little bit more work with that weight sitting on top. And that shelf will be sitting a little higher. And make sure when you guys are doing the single leg hip thrust that you guys are working on your posture and making sure that you're doing these slowly so that you can feel your glutes working during the exercise. Like I said, if you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and pick up a weight. I say 10, 15, 20 pounds, whatever you can handle, whatever's challenging for you. As we roll into everyone's favorite, Bulgarian squats, that's what really, really helps build the glute shelf. And so I want you guys to really focus on your posture. As you can see, my foot is right in front of my knee. So you don't want to leave your foot too far in front of your knee. You want to give it a little bit of room so that you feel your butt working. You feel the glute working. Okay? And I want you to breathe through your workouts because you need to breathe and you need to feel safe during these workouts. And like I always say, pick a weight that is challenging for you so that you can get the best of your workouts. So then right after we do the Bulgarian squats, we do Bulgarian pulses without weights, just body weight, and we do those until failure on each leg. So this will definitely give you a nice glute pump. Bulgarian pulse is less challenging, but more reps for the best results. And last but not least, we ending our leg day / glute day with the leg curl, because this is perfect to help build your legs up because it gives you that illusion of a bigger booty, even though your booty's going to grow. But as you build your legs, your butt looks bigger. So you got to add these leg curls every time. Okay, so we just finished our booty workout for Monday, and booty and legs and abs. So now I finish off my workout with the sauna. So we're gonna go sit in the sauna for 20 minutes. And I came to the restroom so I could put my bag up and stuff and head to the sauna. So let's go. Okay, y'all, we in here. We're doing 20 minutes in the sauna. I wish I could like count down and show you guys, but I can't because my phone starts getting hot and shit, and I don't want that. So I'm in here. I'm gonna show y'all when I get out so y'all can see. See, I'm dry right now. Hey guys, we just walked out of the sauna. You see me all wet. Anyways, this is the end of our Monday's workout journey, and I'll probably bring you guys with me on upper body day next time. So until next time, bye bye.